Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Trinavek, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So fam, in today's video I'll be showing you all how I made this clove and moringa oil and butter. If you are interested in this, please subscribe, like, share and comment. My YouTube is all about DIY for hair growth, motherhood and vlogs. If this is what you are interested in, please stay tuned. So let's get started. So fam, here is our recipe. We have moringa and we have cloves. My cloves, I've already blended it into a powder paste. So I'm also going to be writing the benefits of moringa and cloves in the screen so you all can see it has an amazing benefit. So we'll need a jar just like so, and I'll be using half teaspoon. This is my half teaspoon. So I'm using half teaspoon of cloves and also half teaspoon of moringa for this recipe. Then I'll be using olive oil as my carrier oil. You can use any oil of your choice, the one your hair loves. You can use that for this recipe. I'll be using 1 cup of olive oil for this recipe fam. Then after I have added my olive oil to this, I will let this sit for 12 hours. 12 hours is enough for your oil to have infused, to the ingredient to have infused in your oil. But if you want this oil like quickly and sharply, you can do the double boiler method and your oil will be ready. So fam, I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, let me know in the comment section, have you tried moringa and cloves before? Have you tried these two combo before? Let me know. I'll be reading your comments. So I'm just giving this a shake and to mix the two powerful obonge ingredients together, and I will let this, as I said earlier, set for 12 hours, and after 12 hours I will show you all what our oil looks like. So fam, this is 12 hours later and this is what our oil looks like. It is amazing for your scalp, it's amazing for your hair. Okay, I've been using this on my hair and I'm seeing massive results on my hair growth, on my edges, on my scalp. I've been seeing massive results. You can use this as a hot oil treatment. You can use this as a to seal in your moisture. You know, this really works wonders for our hair. I advise you give this a try. So I'm just showing you all how my oil looks like, and I will strain this into a container. So fam, these are the benefits of moringa. Moringa promotes hair growth, it treats hair loss and dandruff, it strengthens your hair. Moringa is rich in ammonic acid, which are building blocks of cells. It helps to treat alopecia. It also activates the dormant hair follicles and enrich new hair growths in your bald spot area. Okay, moringa is also rich in biotin, so this is an amazing spice you need to use for your hair. So I'm also going to write down the benefits of cloves. Cloves contain high level of nutrients that adds to the growth and strengthening of your hair. It can be used to protect your scalp from dandruff and itchiness. It contains nutrients that helps to thicken your hair strand. So clove is an amazing, it has lots of benefits that is amazing for our scalp. Okay, so guys, after this oil, I'm also going to show you all how I do the cloves and moringa butter, which is really soft and really nice to seal in your moisture. So far we are using 2 tablespoons of shea butter for this recipe. So I'm adding the oils we just finished making. I'm going to add the oils to this and we'll melt them together. So this is me melting the oil and the shea butter together, and this is what the oil looks like after it's been melted. It's really hot, guys. So I'm going to cover this with a plastic film, then I will put this in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this is what we will get. Then I'm going to mix this together. If you don't have this electric mixing, you can use normal one and it will be good for it. Yeah, so I'm just going to mix this into a very soft consistency. Then after that, our butter is ready. Okay fam, you can add any essential oils into this. I'm going to transfer this into this bowl just like so, and I'll store this in my bathroom or in my dressing table. Anyway, you can store it anywhere you can store it and it will not go bad. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new here, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification whenever I upload a new video. And also like and comment and share. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried this on your hair? How did it go? Let me know. All right, so stay safe, stay blessed, stay positive vibe. Bye guys, goodbye.